have a reset day. I have one thing I have to do for like a brunch little holiday celebration. So I'm just up, gonna take Olive for a walk and go and get ready for that. And then after we're gonna reset, we're gonna bake cookies and have a good morning. Considering it's cold, you can see the frost, like minus 26 right now, but it feels like minus 24. It means there's no wind, which is why it's actually kind of nice. Part of this day is me reading. I am currently on the second Crescent City, House of Sky and Breath. I'm liking it. This is my last SJM series. I've done ACOTAR, I'm caught up, and then I did Throne of Glass, and I did Throne of Glass this year. So I started last year, finished this year. This one's good so far. I'm almost halfway. I don't like it as much as the first one. I feel like the first part of it was just like a lot of fan service, which is fine, but I just wasn't as connected to it. But it's really picking up in the second part here, and I'm getting very interested. So let's read for a bit. I'm even in my Polaris sweater that a friend made me, so there you go. I'm very Serge Mass today. I was trying to show you me lighting that candle and I like burnt my thumb, so we're not doing that again. This is one of my favorite ornaments. It's all the books that me and my friends in our book club read in 2024, like little versions of them. It's so cute. And then these are all the ones we read for 2025 too. They're all in here, all layered. So very, very cute. I love these ornaments. I want one every single year. I also got this guy at a Christmas market in Calgary, and I love him. And then this one, this sweet little one here, was a gift to us when we got engaged. And I loved them so much. They're my favorite. That's why they're like center in the tree. It's later in the evening and I have to make cookies. Every year for my work, we do a little cookie celebration to bring in the holidays, and just before break, I pre-make my batter because one of my coworkers is celiac, so I make it gluten-free. The kitchen, it needs to be cleaned first before I do that. So I'm gonna clean and then we're gonna bake. Okay, we got all the ingredients. Let's make these cookies. First thing we have to do is take a cup of this butter and melt it. So let's cut here and not ruin the counter while we do it. Just take this, get it out of my way. You know what? This is my problem with baking. I do like it. Well, I'm not the best at it, but also I don't like my hands getting dirty. I like struggle with that. Constantly like bleh. Anyway, we gotta melt this. Do about a minute and a half. Yeah, I constantly do the little like with the water the entire time. I need this sugar and this sugar. So we're doing half a cup of both sugars here. Oh, this is 1/3. Ew, not half a cup. Well, I guess I'll just use this because the half cup's in the wash. Okay, so we can get this going. Okay. Butter is done. We're ready. About that. A spatula to mix this all in. In time. Okay, now we mix it in with the egg. Ooh, look at that. See how it's like getting to be like a thicky paste. Oh. Now we add our gluten-free flour. Baking soda just gets, don't mind me, okay? There you go. What's the difference between baking powder and baking soda? I mean, it's probably like the active ingredient. I actually don't know, so don't ask me. Wow, look at that. This is it. Just let this chill. We're not quite done though. The last thing I have to do is make the glaze that goes on top. Oh, right, this has a crack in it. I forgot. This little bowl worked for the glaze last time, so this is what I'm gonna use. The odds of me spilling this when I whisk, very high. How's everybody's holiday season so far? They're December. Let me taste test this. Maybe like a little bit more acidity. Oh my god. Just when I start to get confident, I'm like, oh, maybe I can just eyeball this. Nope. This is what happens. This is it. That's what she looks like. Also, do we like my holiday nails? That wasn't the point of this, but while we're here. Hee fun. It's packaged up. Done. Now I have to clean. I just cleaned. And now I have to clean again. Why? I don't like doing it. Hold on. Wow. Look at that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and this is just a cozy home vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!